Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Esco Lite UV flashlight blacklight and you need to insert, replace, or change the batteries in it, maybe for the first time or because the batteries have now gone dead and you need to put new batteries in it. It's really a super simple thing to do. You just need 3 AA batteries. I'll put a link in the description if you don't have them so that where you can get those batteries at a good price. But it's really super simple. As shown here, you're just going to turn it around and then unscrew the cap off the bottom and then kind of slide that little battery case out and then just pop your 3 batteries in, again with the flat side of the battery on the springs, and then slide it back in and then close the lid the same way that you took it off. And that's really all there is to it. So do not use lithium-ion batteries or rechargeable batteries or anything like that. Just use regular disposable batteries. Lithium-ion batteries can actually burn out this flashlight. But anyways, that's really all there is to it. Again, I'll put a link in the description to the batteries and also to the flashlight if you're interested in getting one. Thanks a lot for watching.